How to trade in ESPN Fantasy Football. Firstly, if you haven't already, then download the ESPN Fantasy Football from App Store or Play Store. Once it's downloaded, then open the app on your device. You can also check for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. Once the app opens, on the top section, you will see your team. Since my team has no members, it's not showing the option of matchup, but you will see the matchup option right beside my team's option. You can also click on my team, then at the top panel, click on matchup. Here you will see all your team members. You can also do this from the League tab. Click on League at the top right corner. Now on the League interface, if you scroll down, then you will see different teams. You can pick any of these teams that you like. Now here you can see all your team members. Select any one team member. Click on Trade here, or you can go back and click on the option Propose Trade. Now you can directly select the trade option. Once you have selected the trade option, click on Next. Now in the next page, you need to select a team member with whom you'd like to trade. That's all for today. Thank you.